Welcome back. Well, as always, she's so much fun. We have Mary Zolli here from the Theater Guild, and her guest today is Charlie Huntsman, who is here to talk about the new play coming up, which is Silent Water, Night Watch. Night Watch. Okay, it sounds kind of scary, but we'll get to that in just a bit. So, Mary, tell me a little bit about the meeting that's coming up in September.
September 19th, a few months ago, Barbara Torino was on this very show, and she told us about this monologue that she wanted people to write.
Right.
She talked about her acting experience and how, you know, it was difficult for her to feel vulnerable. So writing this monologue about a significant event in her life is what improved her acting.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing with the members who've volunteered to write about their life.
Okay.
So right now, people are sending in their monologues, and then we're sending them to her.
Okay.
So I get to read their first draft, and I get to see the feedback that she gives them to bring out this emotional vulnerability.
All right.
And she's just very good, and I'm really looking forward to the meeting and hearing people's stories.
So they're going to be reading the final product at the meeting, is that correct?
Yes,
Okay.
they are going to have a few rehearsals, though.
Okay.
They're not going to be glued to the paper.
Yes.
They're going to be talking to us.
Okay, so sort of an, like you said, an acting monologue type thing.
Yes.
Okay, fine, and that's going to be September 19th. And what time is that usually at?
At 6:30, the doors open, and we have great refreshments by Carla.
Excellent. All right, perfect. Now, going into Night Watch, tell me a little bit about Night Watch. And
You want me to tell you about Night Watch?
Sure, you go ahead. We'll leave the actress alone for a few minutes.
Well, thanks
and then
a lot.
Tell us.
Everybody knows I'm no actor.
That's
this is a great play, and the trick of it is to watch it at least twice, because the first time through you're just kind of following along and listening to these characters and doing what they're doing, but you're not really locking into them until the end, because there's a great twist at the end. It's very exciting, and so I always recommend anyone who watches this or reads it that you do it twice, so you get a much better feel for the characters the second time.
I see.
Now I'm lucky that I get a very small part of an angry delicatessen owner.
Oh.
So I just get to make the big entrance, steal the scene, and go on my merry way
I think you kind of
afterwards.
like that, don't you?
I
think I can kind of tell you sort of like that, huh?
Just a perfect part for
so
me.
good in rehearsal yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, my gosh.
Just like he says, stole the show, didn't he?
He did.
Well, you have to.
Yeah.
That little part.
I don't think I'd want to be in a scene with him.
No. But the other part I got to kiss a girl.
Whoa.
So
wow.
That's very exciting. I don't get to do that this time.
I bet. Now, what about your part?
My part is so fun because I get to do such a range of things. I get to cry, I get to be seductive, I get to be mad, I get to be hysterical and crazy, strategic. Oh my gosh, it's got everything.
Okay.
And I'm having a blast.
Give me an overview of what it is about. Like, what is the main premise of the play?
You
Can't tell too much about that,
Okay.
but I'm this woman who has my best friend living in the house with me and my husband.
Okay.
And
Not such a good idea.
nah.
Is this a scary play, or is it?
It's pretty scary.
It is scary. Okay, so
Yes.
there's a lot of anticipation in it.
It's
Lots of death.
Lots of death. Wonderful.
Yeah.
You dare show something like that here. What are you thinking? Do they come back as ghosts? I kind of hope so.
Well, we could always write that in.
Would you? Okay, I think that might be more fun. To have some reincarnation of some sort.
Hey, there you go. That could be part two.
Well, there you go.
The
There you
sequel.
go. So when is the play? It's going to be when?
September 27th and
Okay.
28th in the evening at 7 p.m.
Okay.
Or Sunday matinee at 2 p.m.
All right, and the tickets are on sale now?
Yes,
Okay.
and to get good seats, you should go now, because this is going to be a very popular play because people like mysteries.
Right.
They like murder and mayhem and trying to figure out clues.
Right.
So
And it's where? It's going to be at
the big
Pacific.
main stage
Okay,
of the
perfect.
Performing
The big
Arts
room.
Center.
All right,
call it the
perfect.
But
big
here's a
room.
really cool thing. If you buy your ticket on Friday or Saturday, you can bring it back another day and see the show again.
Oh, okay.
We're doing that because we know that everybody's not going to get all the clues
Right.
at the beginning.
Okay.
And after they already know the ending, they can go back and put the puzzle pieces together.
Oh, that's
So you see it
smart.
twice.
Yep.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
They said, yeah.
Yeah.
So nice. All right. Well, very good. Anything else you'd like to tell us about the play?
Well, Jeannie Sander's really doing a good job.
She's our director.
Okay.
And her main, well, she's good on telling you how to be with your character. We have a fabulous cast.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, we have top actors. Everybody's very unique.
Right
in their
here in our studio too. We have the top actors right here.
This
There's
is
no
it.
shame. He has no
No,
shame.
none whatsoever.
Self-promoting, aren't you? All right. Well, it sounds exciting. The Night Watch play is going to be September 27th through the 29th,
Right.
and you can get your tickets now. So definitely jump on that. And as you mentioned, if you buy one of the nights, Friday or Saturday, you could go back on Sunday, or
Yeah.
you could go back
On Saturday
Sunday.
night.
Got it. Okay, perfect. Well, thank you both so much. Good luck.
Thanks for
Thank
having
you,
us.
Lisa.
You're
It's really
welcome.
been a pleasure.
And remember that that will be September 27th through the 29th. And make sure you get your tickets, because
Yeah.
they say it's really good and lots of death. We'll be right back after this.